Hi everyone, it's Ilky Sharrett here from ilkysharrett.com, giving you another tutorial about how to create a bridge page in Kalatu using Instabuilder. So let me show you how we do that. You log into your Empower Network back office, and what you want to do is you're going to have to access your blog. So access your blog, I've already got it open here. You'll land on your dashboard, and what you're going to need to do from here to access Instabuilder is go to the plugins and applications. So click on that and you'll see a range of icons here, and Instabuilder is down here, so you just want to open that. And it will bring up this page where you can create landing pages. Now, the purpose of my latest one was to connect my Instagram people over into my sales funnel. So I decided to do a video on a landing page that is going to take them to the total shortcut. So this is how I've done it anyway. So just quite simply, I'll just show you. I think if I click on that, I'll just show you what I'm talking about. This is one that I've created and it will autoplay because I've put some code in there, so it autoplays. Simple landing page, my logo's there, it just says watch this short video, start living your passion. Got my video there and it says enter here. And once people enter here, they go over to this total shortcut. So pretty happy with that. Now, and I'm going to just run you through how to set this really simple landing page up. So let's go back here and we're going to go create landing page. Now, you'll see there's all sorts of stuff. You can categorize it down to filter it down to find what you're looking for. But I think generally, if you're just doing a bridge page, you were just going to want a video with a button that's going to link you over to where you want to point people. So you know, maybe it's a sales page. It'll bring up when you search through. It'll bring them up, and you know you can preview them here. It's just simply got like, yeah, layouts here. I don't want that one. Yeah, maybe it's this one. I'll just have a little look. I want a simple one, but that's okay because I can go in and delete this stuff. But generally you don't really need to select anything here, and you can find something pretty quickly down here. All I'm looking for is a page where I can pop a video on and a button. So I will just go ahead and choose this one, for example. And what I want to do next is edit it. So all the components are there. All I need to do is click on them and start editing. You can delete them if you want. I do have a logo, so I'm going to go into the cog, which is going to take you to the settings. And you can remove what's there, and here I can upload an image. So I'll just go in here. I've already uploaded my logos to my media gallery. So I need the one that's white because it's a dark background. I just have to wait for these to load. Sorry, it's taking some time. So it brings up all the images. God knows why I've got so many of my face there. I don't even know how that happened, but anyway, I can see this is my white logo because I've titled it over here. Can't see because it's white, so I'm just going to use that. Now it's come in way too big, so all I need to do is go here and edit. And you can do it that way, or a simple way of this. This will kind of make it look a bit squished, but I kind of know this how it needs to look, so I'm happy just to play around with this, you know, just to squish it into place. Happy with that. Great. So next is the video. We're going to embed a video, and hopefully you've got one already in your YouTube, so that's kind of the easiest way to do it. So what I do is I want to go to my YouTube channel, and you select, I'll just take a step back here because I've gone ahead of myself on this. I'm going to select this one here. So you just click on it, pause it. My phone ringing. So I'm sorry, that was my phone ringing. Now I am going to go down here. So this is the video that I want to embed in my bridge page. So what I need to do is click on share, and I'm going to choose to embed it rather than share it. And the reason why is because when you go to embed, if you click on show more, you can see down here, these were all on before, you can go in and edit sort of how you want it to go in. Now, I don't want it to show suggested videos at the end. I don't want the player controls to show. I want it to play without someone being able to sort of skip through it. It's only a minute or so long anyway, this one. And I don't really want anything on there. I want it to look really clean. So once I've done that, I can then go up here and select all that and copy it. I'm a shortcuts on the keyboards kind of girl, so I basically went Command A on my Mac keyboard here to select all of it, and Command C for copy. And then I'm going to go back over here to our new bridge page, and I'm going to paste in, oops, I haven't hit edit here. I'm going to select over here, video settings, embedded code. And just here, I'm going to go Command V on my Mac keyboard, which is paste. And you can see all the codes come in here. Now, I will share with you a very good tip and trick. If you want this to autoplay, you need to put some code in here. And what you need to do is find this question mark here and just type in autoplay equals 1 semicolon. That is the code to make your embedded video automatically play. Now, for some reason, I don't think that works on a mobile device. I checked it on my phone and it didn't work, but I have yet to check it on my iPad and recheck it. But definitely on the desktop laptop, it auto plays most definitely. So I am happy with that. I'm just going to save where I'm at. So just click on that icon for saving, so you don't lose anything. And then we can go in and edit the surrounding text and put in the words that you want around the video and your call to action. So once that's finished saving, we can just hide that panel. Rest assured your video is there. If the code, just go back to show you, if you see the code in here and you've saved it, your video will be displayed there as it says. It just doesn't come up in this window, but the code's in there. So next thing is you might want to add some text. So all you need to do is all the elements are over here. There's title elements, text elements, image where you can insert an image, lines, boxes, buttons, countdowns, opt-in forms, all sorts of stuff here. So you play around with it. All you need to do is click on it and drag it over. And you can see that I've just put in here, I'm going to put in some text here. So I just need to edit. You can double click on it or press the pencil. Again, Command A. Obviously can't see any of that. I'm just going to make it white and I'm going to make it centered and I'm going to type in some words. So it's defaulted back to what it was, but that's okay, I'll fix it. Watch this video now. I'll just change that to white. You can make it bold, you can make it big, you can change the font however you like. You can italic, you can underline, all that sort of stuff. That's a basic word processing kind of thing here. So for the purpose of this training, I'll just leave it at that. And then I'm going to come down here and I want to edit this section here. So I actually don't want a button on here. I'm just going to delete that. Oh, I don't want that box actually. I actually just want a button. So I'm going to drag my button down here and I'm going to edit it by pressing the cog. And I think I've done the wrong thing actually. I'll just delete that quickly. Yeah. Button. I'm going to put it in here. So here we go. Okay, so click on the cog and it'll give you the button settings over here, and you can make sure you type in the text. Now I find if I highlight all that and then type in what I want, and sometimes it doesn't stay there, but it did this time, so that's good. Don't worry, just keep trying if things happen. And then you can change the font. I'll just leave it at Arial, and then you can change the font size again. You can do it in here by deleting that. You have to click out of the box for it to take effect, or you can do the sliding rule thing here. Okay, so we'll just leave that. Button style, flat, glossy. Not sure of the difference really. They always look the same to me. And then you want to change the button color. Now, I believe green is a good one to go with. You can change it to any color you like. Most people know that green is for go. And then if you want the similar hover color, you can actually highlight all that and copy it. And then when you go back, I think the text color is fine and the shadow is fine. So we're going to go back here and then we're going to go, okay, what is the hover color going to be? So the hover color is when your mouse goes over it. See how it changed to blue because up here it's blue. Let's change it to a similar green. And what you do is you paste over the top of this that green. It's kind of a little cool trick. And you can make it a bit darker green. So see, it sort of changes, but it's still kind of green. And then you can add icons before or after the text. So something like, I don't know, maybe you want to prompt them with an arrow at the end. And then you can round the corners if you want to round the corners. Now, this is very important. We need to know the target link. So where are we going to send them when they click on the button? So my call to action is going to be sending them to the total shortcut. So where do I find my link? I go back to my Empower Network back office, and here I tend to right click on that because it doesn't actually open a new window when you click on it. But just to check, just to make sure you don't lose where you're at if you want to be in your back office again. Oh, it's logged me out. Just wait one sec. Let's do that step again. So in here, you're going to go my links, and then you're going to go here. Make sure you've already connected it to your Kalatu Cloud list. I'll do a training in a different video on that. So here you can just simply hover over this and you just click on that to copy. Go back to your page and then you're going to paste that in. So now that when people click on that button, they're going to go to this link, which is your total shortcut. So if you want to just hide that, And then this stuff down here, make sure you change it because I think, oh, sorry, it's just gone out of view. One sec. So down here, you're going to want to edit this, and that was just simply pressing the cog like in all the other areas. You can put your name or your company, however you want to be seen. And these will actually link to the Empower Network privacy policy and the disclaimer and the terms of service. So once you've done that, I think it's good to go. So just save. Cool, so once you've done all that, all you need to do is you've saved it, you can preview it, and over here you'll
Hi, my name is
Autoplay. So there's a desktop view, there's a tablet view in a portrait and landscape view, and the same for mobile, portrait and landscape view. Obviously I would need to toggle with this because it's too big. I would prefer something kind of come up about that size for the mobile, but anyway, so yeah, it's all done. And the only other thing that is good to do is here where it says change permalink. We don't want it to say classic hybrid squeeze. We want it to be something that you're going to recognize. So if perhaps it was for something to do with your social media, like if you were capturing leads on Instagram, you could put IG and then maybe the niche that your specific Instagram account is for. So maybe it's for, I don't know, boating, or it's for, I don't know, I'm just making this up, skiing. So then you just hit OK and it will have saved, you can see here. So you can close that and then you're done. So just to double check where it is, you could save it again. So just to check it's there, you can exit out of here, exit editor. Yep, it's okay to leave, and you'll see back down here on the dashboard is your new page. Now see how it has actually not, I haven't named it, so I will do that. I'll just show you how to do that quickly. Go back in. What you need to do is go just in here into your page settings, page information, and change the title of it. So you change it to how you want it to come up on the tab in the browser. So I'm just going to put Ilky Sharrett, and if you wanted to add anything there or some keywords. So again, you're going to need to save that. I'm almost done. So we can just exit out of that again, and you'll see back here on the dashboard that you have renamed that successfully. So that is how to create a bridge page with a video. I hope it was helpful. Got any questions, just hit me up in the comments, or you can send me a message, whatever you like, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Putting all this on my blog as well, ilkysharrett.com, so you can keep up to date with some tutorials. I will see you in the next video.